Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you the first activity that I do in the morning once I'm ready, and which I absolutely love doing. And so maybe you would give it a try if you want to. And it's very simple, very easy. I love to feed the birds. On my terrace. So, and in no time you'll see they'll all be here to get their meal. And it gives immense pleasure to me to watch them gobble it down. And why not? We all love good food. So to all my birdie friends, okay, see you guys.